I am Vishnu CH, currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, branch CSE CY. Today we are going to talk about the topic ER diagrams. So first, let us come to the introduction to ER diagrams. An ER diagram or entity relationship diagram is a visual representation of data that describes the relationships between entities in a database. ER diagrams are commonly used in database design to illustrate the logical structure of a database and help in understanding the relationships between different entities. ER diagrams consist of entities, objects or concepts, attributes, properties of entities, and relationships, association between entities. Components of an ER diagram. First, entities represent real world object or concept such as customers, products or orders. Second, attributes describes the properties or characteristics of entities such as name, age or price. Third, relationships define how entities are related to each other, such as one to one to many, or many to many relationships. Next, types of relationships in ER diagrams. One to one relationship. A single entity in one table is related to only one entity in another table. Now, one to many entities. A single entity in one table is related to multiple entities in another table. Now, many to many. Multiple entities in one table are related to multiple entities in another table. Now, let us come to the cardinality in relationships. Cardinality defines the number of instances of one entity that can be associated with the number of instances of another entities. Cardinality constraints can be optional, that is 0, or mandatory 1. Cardinality is represented using cross-foot notation in ER diagrams. Cardinality in relationship. Suppose the entity A and B are connected by a relationship. The number of instances of entity B that can be associated with each instance of entity A. Now let us come to the key constraints in ER diagrams. Key constraints defines the uniqueness of entities within a relationship. Primary keys uniquely identify each record in a table. Foreign keys link tables together by referencing the primary key of another table. Example of an ER diagram. Consider a library database with entities such as books, authors, and borrowers. The books entity may have attributes like title, ISBN, and genre. Relationships in the ER diagram could show that an author can write multiple books and each book can be borrowed by multiple borrowers. ER diagram of library management system, as you can see here. Now let us come to the benefits of using ER diagrams. ER diagrams helps in visualizing and understanding the structure of a database. They assist in identifying potential issues or inconsistencies in the database design. ER diagrams serve as a communication tool between database designers, developers, and stakeholders. Tools for creating ER diagrams. There are various software tools available for creating ER diagrams, such as Lucidchart, Microsoft Visio, and Draw.io. And these tools provide templates, symbols, and features to design and customize ER diagrams. ER diagrams tools often allow for easy collaboration and sharing of diagrams within team members. Best practices for designing ER diagrams. Start by identifying the entities, attributes, and relationships in the database. Use clear and consistent naming conventions for entities and attributes. Validate the ER diagram against the business requirements to ensure accuracy and completeness. Now let us come to the conclusion. In conclusion, ER diagrams are essential tools in database design for modeling the structure and relationships within a database. Understanding the components, types of relationships, cardinality, and key constants in ER diagram is crucial for designing efficient and well organized databases. By following best practices and utilizing ER diagrams tools, database designers can create effective and reliable database schemas. Thank you.